Ken Brillantes and King Destacamento. Oh, King able to escape using his offhand to finish off that layup. This lead was once at 25. Bola na agaw, pero Mingan with a free earlier. Switching hands in mid-air, just could not convert.
Destacamento, Brillantes, pasok.
Isa na lang. 64-63.
Diminishing the big if that you mentioned late in the third quarter.
Mingan. This guy going under the screen and he makes them pay for their very first lead.
You want to get out of that kanya-kanya mode, no? Yan ang naging dahilan kung ba't nahabol sila rito sa opensa. Sounds cliche, pero medyo nagkanya-kanya sila. They need a heater right now because their shooting has gone cold.
Just 5 out of 22 from the field in the second half. Pero ang Sarangani kanina pang nagliliyab. And Mix Pascual really was the one that sparked it in the third with those 11 points. Jeremy Robinson, who just played...
Pag-Rocky si Coach Estong, they find him here. And Jeremy Robinson.
Ball book free by Robinson. Recovery by Tricky. 10 on the shot clock. Dangerous pass. Steal by Valenzuela. Pero Mingan using that Brillantes screen. Ken Brillantes jumper is good.
Itong si Coliano, ang ganda ng pasa niya, hindi lang naipasok ni Chauca. Agaw!
Intercepted by Robinson. Drives. Ball rolls out. They get the ball back. Inside Robinson. Pumwersa sa ilalim, getting 2 points.
For that stick back by Robinson.
Between the legs, Brian Lakap.
Agaw ulit.
Robinson has Destacamento to beat. Wow! He misses.
Badly.
But Olegario there, he will lay it up and in. Wild sequence from Valenzuela. Muntik nang masubsob. 3 pump fakes by Alano. Got back his own miss. Supalpa, linamot kay King Destacamento. Now to our last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Soaring and scoring was Jeremy Robinson. Olegario. Valchauca stopping on the dime, gets the friendly bounce.
Less than 11 minutes.
But all 7 of those points coming in that
fourth.
pivotal run.
Yeah.
What a way for Valenzuela to break through after 2 disappointing losses.